Very warm good evening, everyone. My dear game designers, welcome back to day two of Scratch programming of the Stu Code Future Skill Bootcamp 2026 Session 5. Yesterday, we learned how to create animations, draw shapes using code, and even build our own mini story. Who was here yesterday? Type yes in the chat. Quickly type yes in the chat if you were there in the yesterday session. Okay, so many yeses are coming. Good. Avni, Fatima, Aparna, Arav, Naman, Kanav, Dhruvi, Anshika, Dasmaya, Rita, Dhimahi, Arav. Very nice. Very nice. So there were so many students who were from the last class, so they can easily connect with my today's class. Awesome. Now today we are taking the next big step. Yesterday you were animators. Today you are going to become game designers. Hello everyone again. My name is Pooja and I work as a content writer with a leading educational publishing company. Our team creates innovative and engaging books on computer science, AI, coding, robotics, and digital literacy for students across India. We develop learning resources aligned with the latest CBSE guidelines, NCRT recommendations, NAP 2020, and NCF 2023. Our goal is to make technology education practical, interactive, and enjoyable through hands on practice and real life activities. The same team that create these books for schools is here today to help you learn and create something amazing using the Scratch. Let's begin. So before we learn something, I'll just let you know that what is Kaushal Bodh for which the project we are taking in. Kaushal Bodh is a skill-based learning program by the CBSE as a vocational course that helps students learn to do by doing creative task and exploring real world projects. So, Kaushal Bodh helps students to become creator, innovators, and problem solvers. And we are doing the project number 4 of book 6. Yesterday, we have concentrated ourselves in the animation part only, and now we will be moving towards the game designing. Okay, Dashmaya is saying, I am in Kaushal Both Scratch. Very good, beta. So this webinar is going to help you a lot. Fine. Okay, let's move. So yesterday we have discussed that whenever we are going to create a game, then we need four important ingredients for that. We need first of all the character. This is a person, it could be a person, it could be animal or object you control in the game. Then next is the goal. Every game needs a mission, something you are trying to achieve. Then the next important ingredient is challenge. It makes the games exciting and make victory feel special. Then in the last rewards, it makes us want to keep playing. When we'll get the rewards, we'll keep ourselves hooked with that game. Yes or no? Okay, what kind of rewards you get when you play a game? Quickly write down the answer. Quickly write down the answers. Yeah, gems, coins, expenses, coins, diamonds, cash, stars, unlock new items, trophies, spins, free spins, mystery boxes. Yes, weapons. Very nice. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. So today, let's begin the next part. Welcome back, day two, become a game designer. So first we have to do thinking on it. ठीक है, पहले हम ये सोचेंगे कि गेम बनाने के लिए हमें प्रिपरेशंस क्या करनी है. Without preparation, we cannot create a game. So very first thing that we have to think of an idea. We have to design an idea. Fine. Then we use coding to bring that idea to life. So next part is the coding, which we are going to do with the help of the Scratch. And if you are creating any game in any other software, first you have to design your idea and then you code. Right now we are using Scratch, but you can use any other software to create that also. देन इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी टेस्ट इट एंड फिक्स द मिस्टेक्स. कि कोई भी अगर गेम होगी तो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में कई बार उसमें कोड्स में प्रॉब्लम आती है, हमें डीबग करना पड़ता है. डीबगिंग इज सिमिलर टू फाइंडिंग आउट द प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक है, हम उसको डीबग करेंगे, उसकी फिक्स करेंगे मिस्टेक्स को, एंड फाइनली वी शेयर इट विद द वर्ल्ड टू एंजॉय आवर क्रिएशन. Type your name and tell me one thing you are excited to build today. As जो बच्चे लास्ट क्लास में थे मैंने उनको बताया था कि आज हम क्या एक्साइटिंग करने वाले हैं, बट आप बताइए कि अगर आप कुछ एक्साइटिंग करना चाहते हैं आज तो किस तरीके का काम करना चाहते हैं. We are going to create a game. Quickly give me the answers. You have 10 seconds to write it down. Okay, play, making games, creating games, do the coding. Okay, play the game. Fine, I want to make a game. Very nice, very nice. So everybody wants to create a game. Fine. So let me show you a today's goal, or we can say a challenge or a mission, whatever we can call it. By the end of today's session, you will build a real drag and drop matching game. आज हम बनाएंगे drag and drop matching game. In my previous sessions, I have done the catch games also last year. So this year we will be creating a drag and drop matching game, and this is also a recommended game by the Kaushal Bodh in the book itself. I have taken a different example altogether. So it's not just an animation, not just a moving sprite, a real game that players can interact with. Fine. So a quick question again to everyone. Do you think we can build this today in one session? Yes or no? Yes. So you are taking this challenge with me? So write it down yes or write it down challenge accepted. Quickly. Very nice. Very nice. Very enthusiastic participants I have. It's really give me power. Okay, I love that confidence, and don't worry, we will build it one step at a time together. Okay, let's move to the next thing in the game. Can you match them? Okay, before we learn how to create the game, let's see if you know how to play it first. Fine, there is you can see my screen. There are boxes over there, singer, award, drum, and there are some emojis you can say, or the sprites you can say, as we are using Scratch right now. So we have three categories over here, singer, award, and drum. And now look carefully, what should the gift, where should the gift go? Where should the singer go, and where should the drum go? Type your answer in the chat. What will be the answer? So drum, suppose I'll take this as a singer 1, 2, and 3. So you can give your answer like this. Drum into drum. Okay. Gift will go to the reward. Very nice. And singer will go to the singer block. Gift into reward. Very nice. Singer go to 1. Okay. Accept it. Girl will go to the singer. Yes. Very nice. Okay. Siddharth has written award, gift, and singer, and drum के साथ हम attach करेंगे. Very nice. I'm getting lots of answers. Very good. Very nice. So excellent. You already understand the game. It is very very important. अगर आप कोई भी game create कर रहे हो, चाहे वो छोटी है बड़ी है, you must know or must understand the game. That is the first step of becoming a game designer. If you understand how a game works, you can start building it. So it is very very important to understand the game very well. Okay. So before we'll start the coding or the live coding, the next step that we need to do is to plan it properly, because planning is very much important. Fine. Professional game designers don't start coding immediately. They don't start it immediately. They first plan it properly. So planning में हम क्या करेंगे? First we decide what the game is about. Then we decide the categories, that how many categories we need, what are the objects we require, what will be the rules. We will decide the rules of that, and then finally we build it. So for example, in our program, in our like game, we have categories like singer, award, and drum. We have some objects also like gift, a woman as a singer, and a drum. So these are the categories and these are the objects. Fine. And drag the correct, what is the rule? That we need to drag the correct object into the correct box. So this is the rule. कैसे देखा आपने, हमने उसको चीजों को डिवाइड किया, थिंकिंग प्रोसेस करा, प्लानिंग करी उसकी. Only then we'll be able to create. Even a single game need a planning. Simple games also need a planning. Fine. Okay. Now my question to all of you. The question is written here. The chat question is written here. That what should happen? This is, we have to decide upon the rule. What should happen if the player puts the gift in the drum box? So set a rule for this. क्या होना चाहिए? Ma'am, it shows wrong or give a wrong signal. Harsh, accept it. It will repel from the box. Very nice. Very nice. It will give a wrong signal. It shows a cross sign, not going. They don't get rewards. Okay, it will be incorrect. It will fail. It will don't accept. It will blink red. If the player do it, just do it, and it will be written as wrong. Please take my answer. Webhub, okay, I have taken your answer. We have to start it again. Okay, it will show you after a result. It get restarted. Coin will be taken reset. Okay, it would cancel out. Arav is saying it will reduce our one life from 3 lives. Very nice. Put it back and show try again. Very nice, Arav. Very good. So you have multiple rules for that. Fine. Multiple rules are there which you can take into consideration. कि आप उसको सोचो कि हम किस तरीके का रूल रखेंगे. अब देखो आपके दिमाग में रूल होगा तो आप उसी तरीके से कोडिंग करोगे, उसी तरीके से अपनी प्लानिंग करोगे, है ना. सो बेसिकली what will be things that it will be a wrong answer, and in my case I am taking it snaps back to the start. ठीक है, जो मैंने रूल लिया अपनी गेम का कि जैसे वो उसको टच करेगा एंड इफ इट इज नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट देन इट विल कम बैक टू इट्स current position, but if it is correct then it will be dragged there. Fine. So this is the thing that we need to take care of. We need to set all these things. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, computational thinking again here, because computational thinking is everywhere. मैंने आपको बताया था कि it's not for computer, it's nothing, but it is a what? It is a life skill. We are going to use computational thinking एवरीवेयर. ठीक है ना. तो आज हम देखते हैं हमारा सीटी यहाँ पर कैसे यूज हो रहा है, हम कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग यहाँ पर कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं. एवरी गेम डिजाइनर यूज अ स्पेशल वे ऑफ थिंकिंग, दैट इज द कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग. ओके, द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप, decomposition. Break the game into small parts. Fine. So what we have done, we don't say let's build a game. ऐसा नहीं बोलते हम चलो गेम बनाते हैं, नहीं. We divide the game into different small parts, and then we say let's build boxes, let's build objects, let's build a button which will work as a submit button. So suddenly the problem become easier, क्योंकि जब आप सिर्फ गेम बोलते हो तो गेम से लगता है कि बहुत कुछ करना है उसमें, बट अगर उसको डिकम्पोज करके आप स्मॉल स्मॉल एक्शंस में उसको डाल देते हो तो वो हमारी प्रॉब्लम बहुत ही इजी बन जाती है. ठीक है ना. नेक्स्ट क्या है, क्विकली बताओ मुझे. नेक्स्ट पिलर क्या है. देन आई विल क्लिक ऑन माई स्क्रीन, बट आई वॉन्ट आंसर्स फ्रॉम योर साइड. फर्स्ट इज अ डिकम्पोजिशन. सेकंड हमने क्या पढ़ा था, दोज हु हैव अटेंडेड लास्ट सेशंस और जिन्होंने रिवाइज किया है मेरे सेशंस. यस, भविष्य सानी, वेरी नाइस. पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन, आर्या झा, वेरी गुड. पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन, वेरी गुड. यस, वैभव, आई एम टेकिंग योर आंसर्स. पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन, यस. सो द नेक्स्ट इज पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन. अब पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन में कीप अ थॉट कि जब हमने ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप गेम बनानी है, वी हैव डिसाइडेड दैट, आइडिया हमारे पास है. तो ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप गेम में क्या होता है, ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट्स कैन बी ड्रैग्ड, ये पैटर्न रखना होगा. ऑल बॉक्सेस डिटेक्ट अ मैच, कि वो मैच को डिटेक्ट करें, ओनली देन दे कैन एक्सेप्ट इट दैट व्हाट इज रॉन्ग एंड व्हाट इज करेक्ट. सो ऑल रॉन्ग ड्रॉप्स रिटर्न होम. सो दिस इज द पैटर्न जब हम ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप बनाते हैं, एंड दिस पैटर्न विल हेल्प अस टू क्रिएट अ बेटर गेम. क्योंकि हमें जब पता होगा कि हमने ये पैटर्न देखा है इस तरह की गेम्स में, तो विल क्रिएटेड सिमिलर गेम्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट और मच बेटर. फाइन. ओके, विल व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट वन इन कंप्यूटेशनल थिंकिंग. अब क्या करेंगे. यस, प्रणव विष्ट, अब्स्ट्रैक्शन, वेरी गुड. भविष्य, अब्स्ट्रैक्शन. आर्या झा, अब्स्ट्रैक्शन, वेरी गुड. नाउ व्हाट विल यू एब्स्ट्रैक्ट हियर. क्या चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है और क्या चीज इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. Write it down the answers quickly, क्योंकि now we are becoming the thinkers, we have to think over it. Abstraction कैसे help करेगा हमें यहाँ पर. What is the important thing which we have to accept and what is the important thing that we have to leave. हमने यही सीखा था ना एब्स्ट्रैक्शन में कि हमें किन चीजों के ऊपर हमने कीप करना है, उनको रखना है, और किस चीज को इग्नोर करना है. ओके, मनीषा इज सेइंग मेक द थिंग प्रॉपर. अच्छा देखो, दिस इज वेरी वास्ट आंसर. Be specific. Sprite and background important. Okay. Look of the objects ignore. Very good. Color of the boxes. What? We need to keep it or we need to ignore Arav. Ma'am, we check the answer but not the symbols. Very good. Yes, Arav is saying ignore. Now you have written the complete answer. Yes. Harsh is saying working of game. Very good. Working of game is important. So what is the working of the game? Means drag and drop proper होना चाहिए. अब boxes का color कुछ भी है या हम कोई भी आइकन्स ले रहे हैं, ऑल्दो द आइकन्स मस्ट बी प्रॉपर. ठीक है, आइकन्स अगर ड्रम का आइकन है तो ड्रम का ही आइकन होना चाहिए, बट वो रेड है, ब्लू है, ग्रीन है, वो मैटर नहीं करता है ना, उस चीज को हम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं। एब्स्ट्रैक्शन, इग्नोर अननेसेसरी डिटेल्स, ओनली केयर अबाउट करेक्ट मैच। अगर हमने ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करना है, मैचिंग गेम करनी है, तो हमारा मैच बराबर होना चाहिए, है ना। एंड कलर, साइज, फॉन्ट नॉट आर कंसर्न नाउ। ठीक है, उसको और बेटर बनाना होगा तो हम उसको और बेटर ब्यूटिफाई कर सकते हैं, है ना। वो हमारा सेकंड स्टेप चला जाएगा कि हम अपनी गेम को ब्यूटिफाई करते हैं, लेकिन जो हमारा मैकेनिज्म है पहले वो काम करना चाहिए, हमारे मैकेनिज्म में प्रॉपर काम आना चाहिए। ओके, फाइन। Now, last step, quickly write it down in the chat. Yes, I'm getting the answers. The last is algorithm. हमें step by step process को रखना है. Every game follows step. And what are our steps? ठीक है, तो वो हमें देखना है कि हमें drag करना है, drop करना है, and then in the last we have to submit. So there are step by step: drag, drop and submit. करेक्ट होगा तो विल गेट द कंग्रेचुलेशंस, एंड रॉन्ग होगा तो वी हैव टू स्नैप बैक। ओके, ओके, सो माय क्वेश्चन टू यू ऑल नाउ, which step comes first in my game? Submit button, if I'll click on the submit, drag, or congratulations? Yes, quickly give me the answers. I'm waiting for everybody to respond. There are so many students. Very good, very nice. So it is drag. Yes, because what is the reason for that? You can't submit before dragging, है ना. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू ड्रैग, एंड यू कांट गेट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बिफोर फिनिशिंग द गेम. जब तक गेम खत्म ही नहीं होगी तब तक हम लोग कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस नहीं दे सकते हैं. वेरी नाइस. सो नाउ इट इज टाइम फॉर द लाइव कोडिंग. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, वी हैव प्लान्ड आवर गेम वेरी नाइसली विद ऑल द स्टेप्स. फाइन, हम लोगों ने सारे स्टेप सीख लिए, हमने कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग से सब काम कर लिया, and now we are going to build the game. So these are the things that we need to take care of. Check each one of as we complete it together. So very first thing, we'll open the Scratch, then we'll set up our background, then we'll set our categories, then objects, then we'll set the mechanism of drag and drop, create a submit button, and in the last it will show us the congratulations. Okay, so let's begin. If you are on your laptops, you can do it side by side, or if you wish to stay with me on the screen only, you can do that. You can practice it afterwards and you can create your own game. Okay, so let quickly, I'll put it on a reading mode. Fine, and I'm opening a Scratch window here. You know that you can work on Scratch offline also and online also. So it is loading for me, and now we will start working on it. Okay. Is my screen visible to all of you? As somebody is saying that it is lacking, you just give me a thumbs up if my screen is visible to you all. Fine. So we have just decided what will be our first step. सबसे पहले हमें क्या सेट करना है? Yes, quickly write it down. Yes, we have to set the background. Very good. So there is a choose a background option here. So I'm selecting a background from there. To suppose because this is something, I'll choose a very simple background here, like stripes. Let's take that. I have selected a stripes background, and I don't need this sprite, so I'm putting it across here. So the very first thing that we need to create now, the boxes which will accept my sprites. ठीक है, तो पहले sprites add कर लेते हैं. So I'll go to the music and I'll select a drum. Fine, I'll place it here. Then I will go again on the music and I will select a singer. So I'll place it here. And then I need a gift, so I can write it down here also. I'm telling you the another way to find out. So gift. So these are the three things I required, and now I need boxes. So for boxes, I will draw the sprites. So I will click on here and paint. Click on the paint button. Now I will take a square from here and draw. Can you see this circle here? This is the center of the sprite. Can you see the circle? Say yes. Can you see where I'm hovering my mouse right now? Yes. So this is the center of the sprite. तो यहाँ पर जो आपको ये प्लस का साइन मिल रहा है, when you click on this plus sign, it will show you, see, कि कहाँ पर इस प्लस के साइन को हमने ऐड करना है. तो यहाँ पर हमारा मिडल में हमने इसको प्लेस करना है. So when you click a plus sign, it will tell you that where is the center. Center is here, and I need to place it here. This is very important. Fine. So I have drawn a box here and I'll place it properly in the center. Fine. And I'll name it. So I'll take a text from here and write it down. First, I'll write it down drum. Fine. And this is my select button. And with the help of the select button, I can place it properly. So once it is done, there is no need to do this activity again and again. Okay. Once my first sprite is ready of a drum, what I will do, right click and duplicate. Clear? Right click on the sprite and duplicate. So click on the duplicate. This is, you can see my two blocks are here. So this is the drum one and I'll place it here and I need to change the name. ठीक है, हम यहाँ से इसका नेम जो है वो चेंज कर देंगे. So I'm pressing here singer. Fine. So this is done. Fine. थोड़ा सा जो प्लेसमेंट वगैरह है वो हम सेलेक्ट से इसका चेंज कर देंगे. That you can see over here. Fine. Now again, what will I do now? I need third box. So what will I do? Again on the right click on the sprite 2 and duplicate. Fine. Okay. Rudraditya is saying, ma'am, can you please tell from where to get the box? Okay. What you need to do? Choose a sprite, paint, fine, and automatically this window will be present here. This is my code window. This is my customs window. So in the custom window, you can take the box from here. आप सर्कल लेना चाहते हो, आप सर्कल में भी ले सकते हो. इट्स अप टू यू हाउ कैन यू क्रिएट इट. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू हाउ टू डू इट. नाउ ब्यूटिफिकेशन वर्क आप जब अपनी गेम बनाएंगे तो आप जितना उसको ब्यूटिफाई कर सकते हैं आप कर सकते. ठीक है. नाउ यू कैन प्लेस इट हेयर and I need to change the name. So I will delete this and I'll put a text here. And मुझे sprite one drum singer and now I have to write it down gift. Fine. So my sprites are ready. Categories ready. Sprites ready. ठीक है, ये हमने process कर लिया. Let's move to the presentation. What we have already done. Background we have done. Categories we have done. Objects we have done. So 3 steps down. 3 more to go. Now the important step. Now we are into the coding. Drag and drop the core mechanism we have to see. Fine. Okay. Somebody is saying, Arav is saying gift and pictures are parallel. हाँ, अभी हम उसको place कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. हम ड्रम को यहाँ प्लेस कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर हम इसको ले आएंगे. ये लो. That we can do. Fine. ये प्लेसमेंट आप कैसे भी कर सकते. Got it? Fine, Arav. Give me a thumbs up. Yes. Thank you. Fine. I'm reading your comments side by side so that I can solve your problems there and then. Fine. So this is the thing that we have created. Now we will move to the coding part. Okay. So we'll start doing the coding part of the drum first. Okay. We'll click here. Right now you can see the watermark of the drum over here. So we are at the right page. We'll start the coding. So for to start that, first of all, we will click on the event and we'll take when flag click. Fine. Okay. Then after that, we will take the motion block. In motion block, we will select go to X. Now there is very important thing I will let you know. So be on my screen like this. Fine. Then I will take the sensing block and in sensing block, I will set the drag mode, draggable. 3 steps clear. 3 steps of coding is clear. First step, when flag click, go to this, the location and set drag mode कि जैसे ही फ्लैग क्लिक हो अगर मेरे ऑब्जेक्ट्स इधर उधर भी हैं पर स्क्रीन पर तो वो अपनी लोकेशन पर आ जाए. ठीक है, अगर मैंने उनको कहीं भी इधर उधर सेट किया हुआ है तो. फाइन. yes. okay. So the next step, then actually I want to control it forever. So I will take the forever block here. Then I will take if else block here क्योंकि मुझे if else कंडीशन यहां पर लगानी पड़ेगी कि if it is going into the right box then वो वहीं पर right box में ही पिक कर जाए, वहीं पे स्टे करे, और अगर वो सही नहीं है तो it will glide to the original position. Fine. So what will I do? I will first take if condition में हम सबसे पहले जाएंगे sensing block पर. Sensing block में अगर वो सही box को टच कर रहा है तो सही box क्या है? अब अगर इफ आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर ड्रम, तो ड्रम का सही सही बॉक्स क्या है, यहाँ पर चेक करो कौन सा स्प्राइट है ड्रम के लिए. Quickly write it down. Which sprite is there for drum? You can zoom your screen or you can see. Drum. Yes, Arav is correct. Sprite 1. Sprite 1 is for drum. तो क्या टच करवाना है हमने? हमने स्प्राइट 1 टच करवाना है. ठीक है. और अगर ये स्प्राइट 1 को टच कर जाता है तो हमने इसकी मोशन कहाँ रखना है? दैट गो टू स्प्राइट 1, कि वो वहां पर स्प्राइट 1 पर चला जाए. एंड इफ it is not touching the sprite 1, so it will not go to the sprite 1. else कहां पर करना है? वापस अपनी पोजीशन पे ग्लाइड करके लेकर आना है उसको. तो हम क्या करेंगे? ग्लाइड इन 1 सेकेंड टू x168 एंड जो भी उसकी पोजीशन है. नाउ अब आपको क्या चीज ध्यान रखना है कि जो ये सिचुएशंस हैं, जो ये पोजीशंस हैं x और y की, वो यहां पर आपकी इस स्क्रीन के साथ मैच करनी चाहिए. इफ इट इज रिटन x एज 168 एंड -119, so it should be 168 and 119. And sprite 1, sprite 2, you need to take care. Fine. Once we have done this, there is no need to redo it. We can use it by copy and pasting for the other ones. Fine. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसको हमने सेलेक्ट किया, कंट्रोल C for copy, go to singer and control V. My code will get copied. ठीक है. But we have to make changes into it. What are the changes required? Tell me, क्या changes करूं मैं? क्या क्या changes करने हैं मुझे इसमें कॉपी करने के बाद? ओके, वेरी गुड आरव. एक्स एंड वाई की वैल्यूज चेक करनी है. तो एक्स एंड वाई की वैल्यूज हमारे पास क्या आ रही है यहां पर? -155 and -85. So I have to change those values. -155 and we have to change it to -85. And we have to change the sprite name also. Yes, very good. Sprite हमारी कौन सी थी? सिंगर की sprite 2. Yes, so we are changing it to sprite 2. Done the coding. Fine. Now quickly copy it again. Click Control C and let's go to gift. Control V. Again, we need to change the values of x and y. Quickly change the values is 6, -104. And here also I will change the value to 6, x as 6 and y as -104. And now I will change the sprite 3. अभी मैंने इसको sprite 3 रहने दिया है, but you can rename it. कैसे आप रीनेम कर सकते हो? इसको राइट क्लिक करोगे, यहाँ पर आप इसमें यहाँ पर स्प्राइट पे रीनेम कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे क्लिक करोगे, यहाँ पर आप इसको रीनेम कर सकते हो. दैट यू कैन डू. ठीक है. सो ड्रम, सिंगर एंड गिफ्ट का हमारा यहाँ पर डन हो गया. हमने ये मैकेनिज्म ड्रैगेबल वाला सबमिट कर दिया. ठीक है. नाउ टेल मी, Have I done all the work or something is left? कुछ रह गया? Think of it. जो गेम मैंने दिखाई थी उसमें और इसमें थोड़ा सा फर्क है. Find it out. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Tell me, क्या रह गया? Rewards, है ना? Rewards रह गए. And how will I get the rewards? मुझे यहाँ पर क्या ऐड करना है? I have to add one more sprite here. Which sprite I will add now? Yes, which sprite I will add now? I need to add a submit button. I need to add a submit button. है ना? So let's add a submit button. From here, I will select a button. Let's see how many buttons we have. So quickly, suppose we'll select the green button over here. ठीक है? Then I have to place that button. थोड़ा सा इसका size small कर देते हैं. Let's make it to 50% of it. And on the right side bottom, I will click on this submit button. ठीक है? Congratulations page add करेंगे अब हम. And for that, what I need to do? I need to create a backdrop of congratulations. ठीक है. So हम यहाँ पर paint में जाएंगे and right now I am creating a very simple one. You can create as you want it to be. ठीक है. So right now I'm just writing congratulations. Fine. Congratulations. And I will place it properly on the middle of this. ठीक है. So राइट नाउ इट इज शोइंग हेयर, बट ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए ना. तो हमें भी इसकी कोडिंग करते हैं. सो व्हाट विल बी इट्स कोडिंग? सो व्हेन विल स्टार्ट, वी डोंट वांट दिस कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू बी देयर. सो आई नीड टू मेक दैट हाइड फ्रॉम हेयर. So what I will do, First of all, I will take the control block, event block first. Event block when green flag clicked. तो जब green flag clicked हो तो क्या हो? What we need to show? We need to show. We'll take the show block from the looks. Oh, it's running. Will show. What I will show? I will show the backdrop. So which backdrop I'm taking right now? I need to show the backdrop. Switch backdrop to first backdrop. या स्ट्राइप्स वाला हमने बैकड्रॉप लिया था, है ना, उस बैकड्रॉप पे. एंड वंस द स्प्राइट क्लिक्ड, क्योंकि हमने अब स्प्राइट को क्या कराना है, क्लिक कराना है, सबमिट बटन को क्लिक कराना है. सो व्हेन दिस स्प्राइट क्लिक्ड, जब इसकी स्प्राइट को क्लिक किया जाए, देन इट विल अगेन स्विच टू द नेक्स्ट बैकड्रॉप. सो हमारा ये नेक्स्ट बैकड्रॉप आ जाए, विच इज बैकड्रॉप नंबर 2, जो हमने कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस वाला बैकड्रॉप बनाया. ठीक है, लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज वर्किंग. सो नाउ वी हैव बिल्ड इट. फर्स्ट हमने प्लान किया, उसके बाद हमने बिल्ड की, हमने मैकेनिज्म दे दिया. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू चेक इट आउट कि वेदर इट इज वर्किंग फाइन और नॉट. और अगर हमारी कोई भी चीज गलत है, देन वी हैव टू डीबग इट. फाइन, ओके. सो आई एम डूइंग इट राइट नाउ एंड ग्रीन फ्लैग क्लिक्ड. ओके, ग्रीन फ्लैग क्लिक करने के बाद हमारा जो प्रोसेस था वो हो गया. सब सारे एलिमेंट्स अपनी जगह पर हैं, स्टेटमेंट है और हमारी स्ट्राइप वाला बैकग्राउंड भी ऑन है. डन. ठीक है, नाउ आई विल क्लिक ऑन द ड्रम. ओ, इट्स ड्रैगेबल. वेरी नाइस. सो माई दिस थिंग इज वर्किंग. सो व्हाट विल आई डू? आई क्लिक एंड गिफ्ट पे ड्रैग करते हैं. ओ, इट इज ग्लाइडिंग बैक. वेरी नाइस. अब हम गिफ्ट को ही उठा के रखते हैं. वेरी नाइस, इट्स डन. देन ड्रम को हम सिंगर पे रखते हैं, तो ये अरे वापस आ रहा है. फिर इसको हम ड्रम को अपनी पोजीशन पे लेके जाते हैं और सिंगर को अपनी पोजीशन पे लेके जाते हैं. सो ऑल द कोड इज वर्किंग fine. Give me a thumbs up if I have done all the things correct. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, now what is my first next step? What I need to do right now? Quickly write it down in the chat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Submit button. Yes, Siddharth, thank you for writing it quickly. Okay. Arav is saying, ma'am, why is congratulations not coming? Because I have not pressed the submit button yet. So I am pressing the submit button and it is showing congratulations. So all the ingredients are done. And जो हमने challenge accept किया था कि आज हम एक game बनाएंगे, we have created that game. अब इसी मैकेनिज्म को यूज करके आप बहुत सारी गेम्स बना सकते हो, जैसा भी आप चाहो. ठीक है, सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, pat on your back that you have done. Yes, challenge done. Okay, now let's move to the next part. Bonus. Wow, Scratch superpower. So something magical is hidden inside Scratch. Means अभी तो कुछ और भी है. And that is AI integrated blocks. Very nice. ठीक है, तो अभी तो और एक्साइटमेंट बाकी है. Students, today we have been using coding blocks like motion, events and control. लेकिन अब हम क्या करेंगे? But did you know that Scratch also has some blocks that use artificial intelligence? Fine. So that is the first, that is the translation block. Then we have text to speech and then we have video sensing. And let's have the live coding of that. So give me a thumbs up if you are excited to see these blocks. Quickly. Write it down. Yes, I'm excited in the chat. Very nice, very nice. Okay. So let's move to the Scratch again. We'll close this out and open a new file. Let's see very first one, which is the translation block. So let's see हम translation block को कैसे move कराते हैं. So what I need, I'll go to, okay, this screen sharing is coming. Okay, I think my screen is not shared yet. Let me share it again. Okay. So my screen is visible to all now. Give me a thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Now can you see a blue box on the left corner of this bottom left? Fine. Add extension. Click on the add extension and first click on the translation. Fine. Imagine you type hello and Scratch automatically changes it to Bonzo, Follow. That's called translation. The computer understands one language and convert it to other language. This is simple example of AI helping people communicate. Fine. So let's take the example over here. I have taken this translate hello to Finnish. I'll take a look block here and say hello for 2 seconds. I'll just put it 5 seconds for that. I'll place it in place of hello and I'll check that in French, Finnish, French, जो भी आप languages में available हैं आप उसमें कर सकते हो. ठीक है, event हम ले लेते हैं when green flag clicked. So let's see what happened when green flag clicked. So bonjour, I have written hello, but now you can create your stories in different languages also. That's great, I think. Yes or no? Are you excited for this? You cannot create your stories in English, you can create in any language that is available here. Fine. So you can have the French, you can have the English, Dutch, all these languages are here. Let me try it for you for like Japanese. Let's say what we say hello in Japanese. So it is saying, oh, it's something which we cannot understand, but it is showing the right language, I suppose. So if I'll say the Spanish one, so let's see. In the Spanish, it's say hello. Fine. So this is the way you can add things. So you need to check it out कि what is the list here. The जो भी आपके list में यहाँ पर available है, you can use that in your language. So if I'll go with the Arabic, it is writing hello in the Arabic language. So now you can create your games in the other languages also, your stories in the other languages by using this AI translation box. Okay, let's move further. Next block that we are going to explore today is text to speech. Fine, text to speech. Have you ever used Google Assistant? है ना, Alexa or Siri, they can speak to us. So how they will able to speak to us? Because they have something in the form of text. Fine, उसी text को वो convert कर देते हैं speech में, है ना, उसी text को किस में convert कर देते हैं? Speech में. Scratch can do something similar using the text to speech extension. So instead of reading text yourself, fine, the computer can read it aloud for you. Let's see how I do it. Fine. Let me first check that key is my sound is open. You can able to hear the sound, I suppose. Okay, let's see. Do let me know if you'll be able to listen to it or not. For example, in the say block, I will not use say block. I will use speak block. And in speak block, I will ask him to translate it to French. So let me see what happened. Can you hear that? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear that. I'll do it again. Fine. So let me try it in, we have done it in the Spanish, I suppose. Let me try in the Spanish. Fine. You can try it if you are not able to listen to me, because so many students are saying they are able to listen it, but you can try and it's actually speaking. Okay. So the computer actually speaks the sentence that is AI in action. Okay. Now let me show you the another one, that is video sensing. So let me try this, that video sensing will work for me right now because already my camera is in use in the meeting. It's working. Can you see me in the camera? Hi. Can you see me in the camera of Scratch? Yes. Okay. So let me show you this. You can try it afterwards in your software also. So what I will do now, this is one is really cool. Yes or no? Now, using the camera on your computer, Scratch can detect movements. ये आपकी movements को detect कर सकता है. ठीक है? Let me show you how. Suppose I'll take a sprite, music, and I'll take a drum. So can you see a drum over here? So the moment I'll touch the drum, it's going to play it for me. Let me show you. So when the video motion is 10 and I'll take the sound of the drum, it's already loaded. So play sound, I'll take start sound, not until done. So the moment I'll click on the drum, can you see it's blinking? Fine. So let me use it for until done. You can try it. Might be the voice is not coming to you or from my system, but it is working. So you can do one thing. You can add other instruments also. You can add other instruments also. Like if I'll say, I can add from the music, like guitar. So on the right hand side, I can put the guitar also. And play guitar until done, and I will take the video sensing off. It is coming. So you can try this. So congratulations, you have explored three new AI. Let me close this first. AI integrated blocks. The one which help us to translate text into speech, and the one which help us to text to speech, and the third is the video sensing, which is very cool. Try it with your software. You are really going to enjoy this. Fine. Okay. Now let's move to the other part of our let's see now the day 2 quiz. Let's see what you will learn today. So read the question carefully. Before creating a game in Scratch, what should we do first? Share the game, plan the game idea, delete sprites, or add sounds. So write down the answer quickly. You have 10 seconds to answer it. Write down the complete answer. If you want to give your answer as a share the game, write down share the game. Don't write A, B, and C. It's still some confusing. So just quickly write it down the complete answer. Yes, Kanav, Ryansh, Arav, Kanav, Nihal, Akshay, Rakshit, Sejal, very nice. Anjali. So they all are writing the answer, plan the game idea. Congratulations अगर आपने ये चीज ग्रैप कर ली आज कि हमें कोई भी चीज करने से पहले उसकी प्लानिंग करनी होती है. Very nice. So the answer is plan the game idea. Let's move to the next one. Which computational thinking step means breaking a big problem into smaller parts? Pattern recognition, algorithms, decomposition, or abstraction. Write it down the answer quickly. Yes, very nice, very nice. Yes, the answer is C, that is decomposition. Very good. Let's move to the next question. In our matching game, what allows us to move object using the mouse? Sound block, looks block, motion blocks with drag and drop code or variables. Write down the complete answer. Okay, Siddhant has given the answer, Amaya has given the answer, Vaibhav has given the answer, Rakshit, Dashmaya, Bhavishya, Aparna, Ayaz, Samriddhi, yes, Ashwin, yes. So the answer is motion block, sorry, with drag and drop code. Very nice, very nice. Excellent. Which of the following is a sprite in Scratch? The stage background, the green flag, a single singer character, or the toolbox? Okay, Ayaz has given the answer. Siddharth, Arav, Anjali, Naman. I can see only these students are responding. Everybody, please respond. Everybody has to respond the answer. So Risha, Akshat, Ridyansh, very nice. Kanav, very nice. So, very good. Stage background is not a sprite. The green flag is a block itself. The toolbox is a. Then the answer is a singer character is a sprite in the Scratch. Fine. So, game designer challenge now for you. Before we say goodbye to you, I have one final challenge for you all. Today, you build a matching game with me. But every great game designer always ask one question, what should I build next? तो वो क्रियोसिटी आप में भी रहनी चाहिए. अगर आज आपने एक गेम सीखी है तो एक अच्छा डिजाइनर यही कहेगा कि मैं अब नेक्स्ट गेम क्या बनाऊं, है ना? So maybe you want to build a quiz game where players answer questions and earn points, or maybe a maze game where player must find the correct path without touching the wall. Perhaps a treasure hunt game where players solve clues and discover hidden treasure, or a catch game where objects fall from the sky and player catch them before they hit the ground. Yes or no? So now it's your turn. Type your dream game idea in the chat. You can choose one of these also or create something completely new. So I'm getting the answers: treasure hunt, all of them, maze, Roblox, very good, catch game, maze game, treasure and quiz. I will do it all. Very nice. I will make a shooting game. Anjali saying all of them. Very nice. Very good. तो आज planning तो हमारी start हो गई. Fine. Wow. I can already see future game developers here. And here is something important. Every game mentioned can be created using Scratch and other softwares also. And the skill you have learned today in this session today are the foundation for all of them. क्योंकि आज हमने एक थिंकिंग पावर सीखी, हमने थिंक करना सीखा कि हमने किस तरीके से कोई गेम अगर हमने प्लान करनी है, सो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ. और अगर हम एक प्रॉपर थिंकिंग, एक प्रॉपर कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग से अपने किसी भी काम को करना चाहेंगे, सो वी कैन डू इट एंड यू डिड इट टू. फाइन. So this is, let's make this moment a very much celebrating and celebrate what you have achieved today. 2 days ago, many of you had never created an animation. Many of you had never written a single block of code. But now look at you now. Day one, you created animations. You built a real game today. And you learned how programmers think and solve problem. And today you are officially earned the title of the young coder. Congratulations. Clap for yourself. A big round of applause, clap for yourself, because learning coding isn't about being perfect. It's about trying, experimenting, making mistakes, fixing them, and never giving them. Fine? And that's exactly what you have done. Congratulations. Thank you from the team StuCode. And now this is your project. अभी आपने प्लान किया कि यू विल प्ले अ गेम, यू विल क्रिएट अ गेम. फाइन. सो आप क्या करेंगे, आप कोई भी गेम जो भी क्रिएट करेंगे, यू विल शेयर योर जर्नी इन दिस ऑन द सोशल मीडिया कि यू हैव क्रिएटेड सच अ गेम. एंड प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू tag us at the rate yep.education on the Instagram also, Facebook also, and YouTube also. You can tag us, and the best games and the best journey that you are going to share it, I will share the same in the next session next Friday. And it's going to be more interesting because next Friday we are going to explore the machine learning, Canva. So very exciting. Tell your friends and also to yourself that we all are going to attend these sessions next Friday and Saturday. Okay, just write it down, those who will attend my session next Friday and Saturday. Say, I will.